Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be something a little different. Usually all my videos, basically on my channel, is with cars or building my car. But today I'm buying my first diesel. I'm pretty excited because like my whole life all I heard is about diesel trucks and stuff. And growing up, my dad always wanted a diesel, but he couldn't really afford it. But I'm pretty sure he could afford it if he wanted to, but he just never bought one. So today I'm going to go buy my first diesel truck. So I know what y'all are gonna say. Devin, you already got a Cummins. Yes, I do, but that's for work and stuff. The truck I'm buying is basically just like this, but it's not a dually. It's just 2,500. So my plan is I want to buy a two-car trailer. That way I can trailer my car. Then if I buy another car eventually, which I will, I'm planning on buying a C6 Vet. That way I can just trailer both of them to car shows, and I still have my single car trailer. So the plan for the day is that I'm going to run to Rob Pitt's warehouse. So I'm sure a lot of y'all know who he is. If not, make sure you check him out. So then I'm going to actually, probably can't hear me, this big ass plane. Yeah. But it's loud in here. I don't know if y'all can hear me through that plane. But I'm going to take my Chevy that I got now and my trailer, and I'm going to go to Seneca, South Carolina, buy my new truck, put my Chevy that I got now on the trailer, then take it to Tennessee to sell it. And I guess come back home and work on this turd. I'm almost done with it. I just got to actually get some motivation to finish it. As y'all can tell, it's almost done, but still a lot of little loose end things to do. But that is the plan for the day. So I guess here goes nothing. So just left Rob Pitt's warehouse. Talked to him for a little bit, so now I'm actually on the way to Clemson to buy my truck. Well, Seneca, basically the same thing. I know a lot of y'all probably gonna be like, well, why are you getting a diesel? I mean, why not? This thing, it's a good truck, don't get me wrong, but it's a 2018 2500 with a 6.0 in it, and it legit only gets like 11 to 12 miles a gallon, empty, not pulling a car. And where I have that Cummins where I pull campers for, it gets way better gas mileage, it pulls better. Obviously it's a diesel, and plus I can afford it, so why not? I was always wanted a diesel. Then obviously if I want to sell the diesel later on, it holds its resale value pretty good, better than a gas motor. And that's basically it. So now we're just going on for a ride and should be there in about 30-45 minutes and hopefully have a new pickup. So let's keep riding around. Well, finally made it to this dealership. Looks like a pretty nice little dealership. But I got my check in hand ready to cash this thing, and I'm ready to buy me a new truck. I believe it's the truck right there. I'm thinking. They've got a lot of Dodge here. But I'm pretty sure that's the truck, so I'm gonna go there and look at it before I walk in and talk on prices. So let's go check it out. Well, behind me is my new Cummins. She definitely looks good. So now I am going to unhook my trailer, hook it up to my new truck, then load my old truck up and head to Tennessee. Shout out to Lake Cowie. I guess I'm saying that right. And shout out to Jordan. If you ever need a truck or anything, hit up Jordan, tell him I sent you. But the new whip, I am in love. Hopefully it will last me forever. So now I'm going to load up my old truck and head to Tennessee. Well, got her loaded up. It's probably the biggest thing that's ever been on my trailer. Hopefully don't get pulled over. She's sticking off the back just a little bit, but I think we should be fine. 20-foot trailer takes up all of it, but this is probably gonna be the heaviest thing this truck can pull, so I feel like it'll pull it pretty good. So now we are headed to Sevierville, Tennessee to drop that off and head back to the house. Got me and my little buddy. Where's he at? You okay, Mero? You alive? Mero, he's not a fan of car rides, so he absolutely hates riding in cars. So, but when you put this thing apart, he's up running everywhere. But road trip. So testing out the new truck. Pulls definitely a lot better up this mountain. I don't know the name of this mountain, but I know that when I had my 2009 Chevy Silverado. When I pulled up this mountain, I had no second gear, so it was only like legit 25, 30 mile an hour because they go from third to first, Then I got my truck that I have on the back there, and it done it pretty good. It do like, I don't know, 45, 50 pulling a car up here. Well, now this thing is pulling very good. I'm also doing like 60, 65, no problem pulling a 6,100 pound truck. So definitely a big upgrade from a gas motor. But we have about 2 hours left to get to Sevierville, so I'm almost there. Well, this is the end of the old Chevy. Got her unloaded. Now it's getting all my crap out of it, and be back headed to the house. The only thing left, I got some toolbox. But it's been a good truck. Done its job. Just I needed an upgrade. So now I'm going to finish the paperwork here, then go get something to eat and head back to the house. So it's been about 2 or 3 weeks since I actually got the truck. I haven't been really uploading. As y'all can tell, I think my last upload was like 50 something days ago on putting the motor in my car. Like I've said in previous videos, I just lost interest in finishing it, and life has literally gone to shit in the past 2 or 3 weeks. If you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you probably know why. You'll notice that there's no more red Camaro here. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But I've put about, I think, 2,500 miles on the new truck, and it has done great. It gets great gas mileage. I went to Orlando the other day, and it was getting like 18 miles a gallon. So I'm sure whenever I actually delete it one day, I don't know, hopefully get like 22, 23 miles a gallon. But only thing I've noticed about the truck is it shifts a little funny. I don't know if the transmission's just slipping or if it's just why I'm not used to it, because it shifts a lot different than the 3500 over there. But that's that. I was just trying to show y'all my new truck and going through the process of it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'm going to try and start making more YouTube videos. I miss making YouTube videos. Just like I said, life has went to shit in the past 2 or 3 weeks, and I'm sure a lot of y'all know why, but it is what it is, I guess. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe button, and I hope you enjoyed the video.